Alright, good day everyone. ChrisKonkleVlogs here. Welcome to the second half of the 16 gauge heavy gauge demising wall. Yeah, we got everything insulated. We got most of our 12s up. I came in today, it's Sunday, just to do the cuts. I cut my tops, I cut a bunch of backing, and I couldn't find the lift or the key for the scissor lift, so I had to bring in the boom, but I got that all ready to go. Tomorrow's another holiday, so I'm going to come in again by myself, do all these tops, finish cutting in wherever I have to, and then one more day with the boys to finish off this far end here. Yeah, so we're doing really good, making really good time. It's looking really good. The owner's happy, the boss is happy, the GC's happy, so everything's good. Really, let's take you over to the other side here. I love these guys too. They're real professionals, real professional guys to work for. You know, they, you know, we got paid a week early, which is nice. I was able to pay all the guys a week early. Everyone was happy. It was really nice considering my last job. I still haven't got paid, probably never will. So, you know, it's nice when your hard work's appreciated, you know. But yeah, look, it looks gorgeous, eh? Yeah, all nicely done. All very nicely cut, tight, screwed in, and complete. I gotta come in and spend a day doing a bulkhead here. It shouldn't take me the whole day. It might, but those cutting in and up to the top there will be taking the time. So yeah, and then now of course there's a pipe up there, so I don't know if that's gonna screw me. But yeah, I mean, yeah, they did screw me, yeah. Like, come on, are you fucking kidding me? Like, that's... Yeah, one thing I want to point out too is we're lifting the 12-footers off the ground even to get up to the, you know, we need to leave a space in there between the concrete and the drywall, but we have to lift our sheets up and onto there. And it's been a bit of a pain in the ass, but Ryan can lift these sheets no problem, so it's been pretty good. So yeah, it's looking good. A couple more days, we'll have her wrapped up. Alright, good day everyone. ChrisKonkleVlogs. I want you to check it out. ChrisKonkleVlogs.com is coming real soon. There you'll be able to buy tools. We'll have a bunch of merch you can get. Yeah, so keep posted. ChrisKonkleVlogs.com is coming. Yeah, so here we are on the heavy gauge demising wall. We got all our most of our 10-foot tops up today. So came in today on a holiday, no one else is here, so you know, we just had free access. I still got to finish the end of the wall. It's gonna be tough getting in there, all the shit in my way. But yeah, got most of the tops are cut. One more day should be done. So yeah, I'm really excited about ChrisKonkleVlogs.com. So you know, I just yeah, keep posted for that. I'll be starting to advertise and put things up on that real soon. The backside of this angle wall is done. Oh, except for the end pieces, but yeah, looking good. Right on. Okay, so you can see I pre-cut my 2-inch strips for the bottom. I scored the top and the bottom so that it'll snap nice and easy. I'll rasp it all, so when I come back to fire tape it, it'll be nice and smooth. So we're measuring 6 3/4 down from the I-beam, installing a 6-inch stud like so on the bottom. We got 6-inch steel stud going up top here as well. I'll show you that after. So yeah, we got plenty of deflection and backing in here. You can see we got the 2-inch strip on the bottom, and yeah, 3-foot tops for this bulkhead. Okay, so when we put the stud on the wall, we're putting the screw in every one of the studs. so it's very, very strong. You see that all the way down there? Perfectly nice. We measured down 6 3/4. So you got your deflection still in here. And yeah, there's your drywall. Just cut up on these ones. It's simple. Right on. Remember, a screw in every stud, and at least you gotta have a few in them. So it's wise just to stick them in the stud. Yeah, normal 1 1/4 drywall screws. Self-tapping. Yeah, just the normal 1 1/4. Alright, you guys see we got the stud up there bolted in with the 5/16 bolt washer. Very, very, very strong. So we got it all installed all the way down to the end now. We just need this bottom set off, cap the end, go back and drywall. But yeah, you see we got the 5/16 bolt in there, self-drilling. Yep, very strong. That 16 gauge steel. So yeah, well, we're gonna go ahead and drywall it now. Okay guys, so we're complete the drywall on the inside of the bay here. Bulkhead's done. Drywall's done. We're almost 100% insulated on the other side, and we just got a little bit of work to do there, and then this whole wall will be done. But looking really good. We got the bulkhead up there behind me done today. The rest of the drywall I finished up on the corner here too as well this morning. So all looks good. Got up in there and got all those tops done in the top there. You know, despite the obstacles, I got up there with a ladder. So yeah, it was good. It's all sealed, so all we got to do is finish the other side, and we're golden. See, I drywall all the way up inside there. Yeah, it looks good. So yeah, we are complete, drywall complete on this side. Steel done, drywall done, good stuff. Look, it's really good. Yeah. So yeah, next they'll be coming in here doing the asphalt. Our electricians are in here now. You got the heaters up there, so once we get some heat going, I'll be able to come back in and tape it. And we'll do another series on fire taping. The quick and fast art. So yeah, you can see there how I continued right to the end of the wall. Yeah, got my 2-inch reveal there. But yeah, so the bulkhead took us a day and a half. 3 of us were giving her yesterday for a while on it, but a day and a half to do this, so that's pretty good. I figured a day, but then they got the pipe in there, so it took us extra time, plus we had to wait for the gas fitters. So anyways, it's done now. Yeah, well, it was a good wall, very good wall, and I'm so glad we got 400 more feet of it to go. So it's a big motherfucking wall. But so yeah, anyways, I want to say, you know, thanks for watching ChrisKonkleVlogs, CK Vlogs. Check out my new website, ChrisKonkleVlogs.com. Store's coming soon in the spring. I'll be adding, you know, the tools and all the apparel and all that stuff will be on there, safety stuff. Yeah, so keep an eye out for that. I'm really excited about everything, so it's looking good. Okay, so all the insulation is done on the second side. I got all the 10-foot tops up. Well, I mean the full sheet ones anyway. So I just got the little strips to put in, and then the tops, I can do that myself. Yeah, one more day, we'll be all done. Everything's itched. Fuck yeah, I wanted to show you how we framed in. Right about like that.
They will. They don't understand. They just
Yeah, pre-inch is so fun. Fucking. Okay, boys, I'll see you tomorrow.